Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be continuing on with our beautiful soup. So 2 videos ago I wanted you to see that we could go in and pull out some email addresses with a link, but that was us cheating a little bit and knowing where that link was. So we're going to get a little bit more sophisticated. We're going to use our regular expression, the tool that we learned last time. Then we're going to add this all together and we're going to see what we get. All right, so if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one thing upon another. Now, here we go. Let's put this in memory. And we're working on, we have our soup object. Boom, there it is. So here's the first thing. We need to make our regular expression our compiler. So we're going to look for the link that has the contacts, go to that, then pull everything. So let's just get into it. So compile. Now here's where we do what we did last time. Contact, and then we're going to flag it. Ignore case. All right. Now, email link. We're going to do this piecemeal so we can see it. Find, then we pass in our A's, our flags, our tags. Then we're going to pass in our text. Now this is where it gets weird. All right. So now we also want to then look at our reference, our hyperreference. And we're going to print email link. All right. So right now, on the last one, boom, we had this. Now I want you to look at this, and we know how to handle this. So now we can get fancy later, but right now we're just doing this where we have a program that will go and grab these things, and we'll get slowly more sophisticated, because right now we're still kind of cheating. We know that this is going to not have the imf.org. So let's comment that out, and then let's redo this HTML, and then all this is the same as last time with a little bitty tweak to it. So we can cheat a little bit, but we have to change, and instead of using our whole script that was here, we're going to change it to email link, because we pull this, then we come through. So when we run this, we're going to have the regular file that we had last time. Oops. And I did not grab. I don't know why I want to make that pretty, but there we go. So now that's why copying and pasting is not a great idea, but I didn't want to just sit there and redo everything that you guys have already seen before. But this is the beginnings. Was it emails? Boom. And then we're back to square one. But this is how it starts, where you go through and you let Python, BeautifulSoup, and regular expressions and requests do all these things for you. And very soon we're going to start seeing how you can navigate and layer through each of these. All right, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests down below, and I will get right to them. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.